If you have a OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet and your seed phrase for that wallet saved, but you forgot your PIN, there is a way to reset it. If you enter in the PIN incorrectly 10 times, you will go back to factory settings and you can follow the setup guide that we've done previously on the channel. When you enter in your seed words or your phrases, you are going to have to do it one character at a time, which can be a bit annoying. But as you start to fill out the word, it will give you a list of phrases to where you can select the appropriate one for whatever your selection is. As you can see here, in this particular case, we need to spell the word metal. And as I start to fill it out, it automatically goes to the next character that it could be, and then show me a list of available options like metal or method. Go through the entire setup process from factory and you can recover your crypto hardware wallet. Good luck.